Hey guys, here to cover the installation of the 100 Concept ScopeCap. Let's jump into it. Before we get started, let's just make sure that everything's cleared out. Make sure that your guns are unloaded. We don't want to have any mistakes while we're messing with kit. For your kit, you're gonna have a couple items in here. You're gonna have the ScopeCap cover itself, pretty straightforward. We're gonna have 2 pieces of elastic shot cord, like so. One in black, one in FDE. That's just so that you can pick which color you prefer on your build. And lastly, we have a Ranger band here for securing our shot cord to the housing of our scope. As step 1, we're gonna put an overhand knot into the end of our shot cord, like so. Next, we're gonna go ahead and thread the shot cord through one of our eyelets. We're gonna choose which way we want to orientate this cap. The final orientation for me is going to be flipping the cap upwards, like so. So I want to actually install the cap, just initially here, opposite of that. I'm gonna install it upside down, like so. So we're gonna go ahead and take this and we're gonna go ahead around our mount and thread through. And then one thing that you can do here, this is a nice little helpful tip. We're gonna need to take the slack out. Not too much though, don't over tighten this elastic, but we do need to take the slack out of it just a little bit. And then go ahead and take a pencil and mark this right here. And then keeping the elastic scope cap on, retained, we're gonna go ahead and take that marked point and put another overhand knot in. All right guys, now we need to orientate this cap properly. Now that we've got the elastic installed, the last step is to take this and on the side that we want it to flip, we're gonna crisscross our elastic and reinstall. And then take our elastic Ranger band and stretch that around. Boom. All right guys, last step is to just trim the excess of our shot cord and heat with a lighter. All right guys, well that wraps up the installation of the ScopeCap. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. As always, we appreciate the love and support. Do good, be dangerous, and live free.